Writing Nonfiction, a guide for beginners. You don't have to be an expert to write a nonfiction book. Nor do you have to have a degree in writing, or a college education to write a great book. What you do need is to know enough about your subject to write about it honestly and insightfully. You also need to be human, entertaining, informative, and compassionate. Have a conversational and storytelling style. And have something to say that will resonate with people. You need to be clear about your purpose for writing the book. Do your research and gather evidence to support your claims. Be honest about your own experiences and limitations. Write in a clear and engaging style. Get feedback from beta readers and revise your book accordingly. That's my video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below. Take care, stay safe, and see you in the next one.